Hello everyone, this is me ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, and I'm here again with another amazing, interesting case study. I mean, not a case study, but rather a video sharing my experience regarding local SEO. You know that I've been working in this field from years and years, and based on my experience of learning, the learning is not only the experiments I do, but I also read a lot. And this video is actually dedication to Tim Collett, who actually played a key role uh, in creating this video, because majority of the data is from him, so credit should be given where due. So without him, it wasn't possible for me to create a video like this, so all credits to him. Okay, now let's start on the top 12 local SEO mistakes people do when they have trying to rank locally on a specific terms. For those who don't know, for just learning, local SEO refers to targeting or ranking your website in a local particular area rather than targeting a whole region, whole country. You want to target specific areas in a particular city, or targeting in a city, that refers to local SEO. Because local SEO results are different from national SEOs, and that is because there are specific queries for which local SEO changes. For instance, if you are searching for a plumber near me, shop near me, mobile shop near me, pizza near me, fast food near me, doctor near me, terminologies like this where required a personalized local search results optimization is necessary. And now, because people do majority of the mistakes, so I'm here in this video going to explain with you regarding some of the few mistakes people do when they are doing local SEO, and I think that needs to be avoided. So this is one such page which I manage and I hold on. This is a page, for instance, this is regarding a charitable hospital, ALIRAZAMARKETING hospital, in running in a specific country, and you can see the reviews over here, 4.5 amazing reviews. But the thing over here is that what actually it's lacking on, I'm going to tell you the okay. So let's get started. Number one thing is prioritizing the wrong things. Many people focus on geotagging and Google tagging instead of laying their focus on basic website optimization and conversion factors. Even if you get ranked on the top, if your website is not optimized or not opening like this, then you are going to be in trouble. So which is why it is necessary to have an optimized website which can directly correlate, because people are going to click on your website and get to know more about you. And if your website is not targeting, what's the purpose of ranking on the top like this here? Because ranking is just the one part, optimization and conversion is the next strategy. So in case if you are spending huge money, huge resources on getting your local search result optimized for a specific query, but in case if people are not getting converted due to your pure website or poor conversion optimization strategies, your whole funnel, your whole strategy is going to be wasted. Which is why it is a very important part of funnel that you need to have a good website, and we can develop good website. In case if you want me and my team service to help you in getting a good website, you are more than welcome to hire us through. The details are in the description of this video on how you can hire us to get your website stand out of the queue. So my next would be not uploading photos and videos regularly. That is actually a huge turn off, and for people who want to get their local results to shown up, it is very important to have regularly post updates, videos, photos. So this will help the people to know that you are also updating, as well as even Google will understand that you guys are working on your page and you are well aware of the issues customers are facing. My point number 3 would be that buying review removal service. People also do this mistake. I believe that the review should be natural. Even here you can see that there is a one negative review over here. Even here, not all, I think not every review is a positive, but you should be open to criticism as well. I, in case if I see somewhere 5 out of 5 ratings, I'm in doubt that it is not possible. So it's always once in a while, it's not actually that bad to get a bad review, because that is also helps you learning and improving your service as well. So for yourself, so that you don't have ego or you don't get pride, it's a good to have a, I mean, it's nice to think on the other aspect on why people are giving you negative reviews, and then you can figure out those issues to make your business stand off the crowd. So that can help you in that as well. And then is not taking care of spam listings in the area. Fighting spams can have a significant impact on your GMB performance. You just need to do it regularly. Just look out, figure it out. In case if there are people who are creating fake listings or other listings regarding your page, your website, you can also look around on those. In case if people are doing Negative comments, you can also look on that. You need to have local listings available as well. You can see over here that we are being listed everywhere. So just giving you one such as an example over here. And then not creating local pages, that is the utmost mistake I have seen many local SEO experts are doing, is that they are lazy when it comes to creating local content. I believe that local content should be very relevant. For instance, if in case if you are targeting in a particular region, you can figure out the region, and then you can create pages with those area names, and then your service plus area names is going to be a win-win situation over here. So I believe that can help you as well. I'm writing your service plus area name. For instance, if it's a Gyne Hospital, you can write it over Gyne Hospital plus area name. Okay, target over here. Other services, in case if you are running Xray services plus area name. Okay, so creating pages like this can help you in building silo structure, traffic authority, as well as you will get a significant impact for your even local pages as well. Apart from your local listing over here, the other results, you will also get your ranking improved for those as well, and you will become an authority as well. So which is why I recommend people to do this as well. The next point is not focusing on local directory, like over here, as these are the local directories over here. It's a very good idea to have a local redirectories listing, and as well as to, like I told you before, like to figure out on spam listings, as well as good to have listed on local directories over here. You can see the videos, documentary over here. So it's a nice to have a local directory listings over here in your local pages, so that other people can also recognize and vouch for you that you guys are good and well known for your service. So this can help as well. And then the next is not leveraging Instagram and Facebook. Actually, for a whole hospital in this niche where I'm talking it, having a regular Facebook page with regular updates regarding the services you are providing can have a huge impact on your local website traffic. You can even get more customers, not only for local SEO, but it can help you in ordinary SEO, as well as it can help you as in a marketing generally, that you will get more customers for your business as well, in case just by being active on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, not updating business hours is actually frustrating, and especially in events. For events like Eid, Christmas, whatever your cultural or religious events are there, cultural events, religious events happening in your local area, or whatever it is, it's nice in case if you have any fluctuation of hours, or in case if you are on, or in case if you are off, you need to update over here. And because Google often send you a message for asking, like, if that is a public holiday, are you guys open or not? In case if you do not reply, you lose a point over here because you are not bothered with the listing. So reply and update over here. Wasting time on building 300 plus citations or map citations, you really want to focus on famous websites that get traffic. Okay, that is actually the point was by Tim Collett, but that is questionable. Not bad, but not good. In case if it's a website like this over here, it's a good idea to have listed in local listings, but for a local server, but for a general citation, we even haven't done it. So it's just for people get for a quick, in case if it's a new client, it's not a good idea. But in case if it's an established local SEO listing which is already getting good results, then it's a good idea. Otherwise it's not a good idea. And then another mistake people do is not responding to reviews as well as to questions. People ask questions, so in case if you do not reply to the reviews and questions, you actually make your customers feel less responsive. You can see over here that the reviews over here, let me see the reviews so I can show you as well that it's very good. You can see that needs to be replied over here, how you are replying the results. I mean over here, like you can see that thank you so much. This is the response from the owner. and then like response from the owner over here. It's very important and necessary that not only gives more personalized message to the people who have asked the question, but other people like me or you who are actually reading the reviews. When you see that the owner or the team is personally replying to these reviews, it means more personalized, more engaged, and you you get a sign that they are caring and they are being bothered regarding the review. So this actually helps that in that aspect as well. It also helps in ranking aspect as well. So and answering to the people, when people ask questions, it's necessary to answer those as well. And then in case if you are doing keyword stuffing, I do not recommend keyword stuffing, especially with the introduction of rank brain, where Google can understand through just with the description of what you are trying to say. There is no point of doing keyword stuffing. It was done in years before, but not workable anymore. And then the last is thinking that posting to Google business page is the holy grail for higher rankings. Yeah, I recommend that postings are a good way, but they are certainly not everything. So it's a combination of different aspects which I think can make your Google My Business and local SEO perfect. So I hope you like these 12 points. What do you think, in your opinion? What mistakes people are doing with their Google Map listings or with local SEO? I will be glad to hear on those regarding from you. And in case if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you get a notification regarding that. In case if you need our services regarding local SEO, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, website creation, management service, or anything, you are more than welcome to hire me and my team through the link in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching, and bye-bye.